In this tutorial, I'll show you how to protect your Discord server. Firstly, launch the Discord app on your mobile device, then go to the server where you want to manage roles. Tap the server name on the top of the screen and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Go to the Roles tab under Server Settings, and if you don't have any roles created, just tap on Create Role. Name the role and choose a color for easy identification. Then tap Save after making changes. Now select the newly created role or an existing one. Go to the Permissions tab, enable or disable permissions such as Administrator, Manage Channels, Kick or ban members, Send messages, or Speak. Then once done, just tap Save. Now go back to the Roles tab, tap the role you want to assign, and tap the Add Members, then select the user. Confirm by tapping Save. Now go to the channel where you want to customize permissions. Tap the channel name and select Edit Channel, then go to Permissions. Tap Add Role or Member and select the role or user. Customize the permissions such as read messages, send messages, connect to voice, or just tap Save when done. And that's it, guys. That's how you protect your Discord server. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.